Thank you, Mr. Bhandari and Mr. Bobby Dhaliwal ji. I'm sure each one of you here. So parents, please be prepared to enchant as the students unleash a spectacular color parade, painting the atmosphere with the hues of joy and unity. This vibrant display is not just a celebration of colors, but a testament to the rich drapery of talent, diversity, and exuberance. Let the kaleidoscope of enthusiasm unfold as we embark on this mesmerizing journey together. Parents, I thought you could please applaud for them as they dance together.
Ensemble on fait le show, on t'invite à la magie, y a pas de raccourci, oublie tes soucis, c'est bien faire la folie. On t'invite à la magie, y a pas de raccourci, oublie tes soucis. Oh, oh, oh. Pour le bobo, pour le mambo.
What a colorful What a colorful performance. As we dive into this celebration, let the words of Shri Rabindranath Tagore guide us. You can't cross the sea merely by standing and staring at the water. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big hand to the flag bearers.